Hello there and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will demonstrate how to create MySQL database in Cpanel. Step 1. Log in to Cpanel. Open your browser and go to your hosting provider's Cpanel login page. Enter your username and password to log in. Step 2. Navigate to the MySQL database section. Once in Cpanel, locate the database section. Click on MySQL databases. Step 3. Create a new database. Under the Create New Database section, enter a name for your database, example, MyDB. Click the Create My Database button. You will see a success message confirming that the database was created. Step 4. Create a database user. Scroll down to the MySQL user section. Under Add New User, enter username, example, DBuser. Enter a strong password in the password field or use the password generator. Click Create User. Step 5. Assign the user to the database. Scroll down to the Add User to Database section. Select the user and the database you just created from the drop-down menus. Click Add. On the next screen, you will see a list of privileges. Select all privileges or customize as needed. Then click Make Changes. Step 6. Verify your database. Go back to the MySQL database page. You should see your new database and its associated user listed. Step 7. Use your database. You can now connect to this database using your application, example, WordPress, custom PHP script by entering the database name, username, password, and database host, usually localhost. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below for more tutorials on your favorite apps. Happy exploring!